pick up our new car, but first we gotta get a battery from Walmart. If you guess what it is, comment down below. So we gotta just double check the battery size. VP 26. This is the battery. $50. So here's a car. My uncle's Prelude. But there's an issue because there's wasps in this hole or in here, and I got stung by the other wasp that made a nest in there. Just gotta wash it off. I already knocked that nest out, but I'm not trying to get stung again. And this wheel right here is not mine. I gotta return it. I was gonna change it, but then couldn't get it out because the wasps were guarding it, and that shit hurts when you get stung. So we're just washing this real fast. I'm gonna drive it home. Yeah, 1989 Honda Prelude. My uncle just gave it to me. It's been in the family for a while, so 5-speed SI 2.0 4-wheel steering. It just needs a bushing on this side, so I gotta replace that. The AC and the heater cord doesn't work. There's rust on the quarter panels. Old car in a snow city. Can't expect anymore. Cracked windshield. I just bought the battery in the beginning of the video. These ugly wheels I need to get rid of. But overall, yeah, this car drives good. The motor's been replaced. Clutch, I think tranny's been replaced. 300,000 miles on the chassis. So, yeah. after I washed it, it didn't want to start. It's not like it was low on gas, so gotta feed it some gas. It's been sitting for a while. And I found the Wasp Hive. It's in the other hole, the rust hole. It's a pretty big hive. It's crazy, dude. The tires are a little flat up front. Gotta pump that. It shakes a little when driving because the tires are old and the bushings are bad, so I gotta fix that before I start driving it. But I'm just gonna take it home. It's not that far from my house. Well, it's like 4 or 10 miles. Just pump a quick 14 bucks in it. Not too much, guys. Now I gotta knock out. Get my receipt. Receipt? No. Tags are up to date. This can fit in there. The Wasp Hive is in there. You guys see that? Dang, it's fucking crazy. I'm gonna take that whole shit out. Let's pump the tires real fast. We can go. Damn, so there's the miles. We got a brake light, whatever, on. One of my door sensors is not closed or all the way. Windshield's broken. So dirty. My seatbelts don't work. Only one window works. The climate control doesn't work. And yeah, it's 5-speed. This is my baby NSX. Driver window doesn't work. The back rear bushing is bad, so I'm driving slow. Yes, guys, it does feel good driving stick shift again. And this car drives nice too. Like the whole cockpit and everything feels nice. Just needs a little love.